going on, everybody? Yo, welcome back. Back on another old adventure on the Cajun yacht. Yo, it has been raining, and more rain every day since we're back from our Mississippi trip. So it is almost 5 o'clock in the evening right now. Lil G and I taking the old Cajun yacht out. Just going for a nice little evening cruise, finding somewhere to camp out, and we brought us some fish to fry up for supper. So y'all can see still a little grayish out there. Hopefully the bigger storms are over with for the day. What you think, G?
Nothing.
What you want to go try and do?
Well, for my birthday, we went to some friend's house, as you might remember on the last video. And on that video, we got a magnet fish. So, this video, we going to the old bridge where we camped out a long time ago.
You want to go try the magnet fish?
Yep.
Well, we might go try that then. Lil G said he want to go try out his magnet fisher by that old bridge that we camped out on a few times. So I guess we'll stop there first. I ain't really got too much. I brought with us to fish with. Got fishing poles, but I forgot the bait. It's late anyways. So I guess we go ease on down to that bridge for a minute. Throw that old magnet out a couple times, see if we catch anything interesting. And there's another spot. If I can get into it, we might go check out that little area too. Might have a few things to find on the bottom of the old bayou. So that's what we're doing. No plans too much. Don't know where we're going for the night. We just gonna ease on down the canal here. Stop here and there wherever we feel like it. See what happens. Best way to do it. No set time. Hi, G?
Yep.
No plans, just wing it.
Yep.
Alright. Let's ease on down, y'all. See if we see anything cool. Alright, y'all can see we made it to the bridge, and the G already done found something. Hey, you want to catch the rope?
Yep.
Let's see if I'm going to get you the end of it. There you go. Alright, hold me there. I'm going to cut the motor off and I'm going to come. I'm going to go get your magnet box.
Okay. It's touching the bottom. It stops right there.
Stop right there. Let's see.
Nothing.
Nothing? Try over here. Boy, it's quiet this evening. Golly. Nothing.
Wait, a nail.
You found a nail?
Yep. How to get the nail?
Cool, a little bitty old nail. Let me see.
Miles some more.
Little bitty nail. See what else you can get.
Okay, that's how I'm gonna store it for.
Okay.
Right. Not the end of it.
Get your rope all undone. Wow, it was so quiet after the thunderstorm out here. You don't hear nothing. I mean, almost dead silent. Ain't no snake hiding back there.
Ready?
Go ahead. That was a good throw. Nothing? Nope.
Yep, nothing.
That was a fall through.
Oh, I feel something.
You feel something. What you gonna do if an alligator try to take that thing?
Pull it. There's nothing. They might have some nails.
Nothing?
Wait, one stick. No, it's just a stick.
I know another spot we can maybe go try. We might have to go check that out. Let's try here for a little while, G, and then we'll go check another spot.
Yep.
Got another little spot that maybe would have something. I don't know if we could better get in there, but we'll go try. We'll go see the old Cajun yacht can fit. She kind of wide.
I felt something.
Felt something?
Yeah. It's great.
Nothing?
Nope.
Alright, G, try one more time, see what we get. And don't fall. Think you're better in the mud. So let's see what we got so far. One old piece of chain. That's all we found.
And some nails.
And a couple, what's left of some nails. Alright, y'all. We back underway. And look, I got my old windshield wiper. Had to close up, the mosquitoes were starting to run in, y'all. So now my windows want to fog up with that old humidity so high. Lil G's my little windshield wiper. First mate, moving up the ranks. So we just gonna cruise. It's almost 6 o'clock already. It's like we stopped playing with that magnet a little while. The time kind of flew by. So I'm going to check out that other spot, see if we can even get in there. And if we can get in, we might just stay there for the night. Try to do a little magnet fishing in the morning. Because after a big rain like we had, the mosquitoes come out like crazy. So we probably won't be doing too much outside this evening. We'll have to see. Keep on cruising. Lil G getting his workout. Alright, y'all. Well, the spot I wanted to go to. Let's see. It's back down that way. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Y'all might be able to pick it up, but it is packed with water lilies. So that ain't happening. So, I don't know. We might go, they got a little lake right there. Might go see if they got a spot to tie up there or not. But we definitely ain't getting where I want to go through the magnet at. Hey, G.
Huh?
We going to plan B.
Okay.
Whatever that may be. I love plan B when you ain't got no plan at all to start with. So let's cruise on down that way. See if we got a good spot to tie up. I could throw the anchor, I guess. Shouldn't have too much traffic to worry about. But we at 3 foot of water right now. We'll get back to the channel. Yeah, I can already see in the camera I'm stirring up some mud. Stirring up a little mud back there. Get to some deeper water. And there's the little lake right up beyond this little point here. Not a big lake, but a little lake. Looks like we found us a decent little spot to tie off. We got the anchor kind of stuck in a little bit. I didn't really drive it deep, and I ain't but about 8 foot in front of the boat. I ain't got that much water right here. And we got this old stump right here tied to that. But y'all look at this view. A lot of times in winter time we can't get right here because it's too shallow. We got a channel up across over there. But right here where we at, from here all the way to about there, is like a big mud flat. We got about 2 foot of water, so we was able to slide on in here. Should make for a pretty nice sunset. Think, G, this gonna be home for the night?
Yep.
Hopefully I can stay opened up and the mosquitoes don't come find us right away. Must start cooking that old catfish. Start getting that ready. Hey, G, let me know if you find a treasure chest or something.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. Guess while Lil G's out back magnet fishing, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting stuff together. The old trusty skillet. Little cutting board. Let's see. Y'all know I got me a fresh pack of coffee. Restocked, ready to go for a little while. Gonna be some good coffee in the morning. Got a few red potatoes, yo. Cut us up some french fries. Just check the fish, it still ain't finished thawing out. So I got it soaking in some water on the porch back there. Oh, got my old garbage can. Got my old potato peeler. I'll go ahead and start peeling. Get a few potatoes peeled up. You finding something, G?
No.
No?
Just mud.
Just mud. Yeah, I don't think they have too much action went on right here, this little spot. I wish we could have got to that other place. Well, look like Lil G's having fun with his old fishing magnet there. I'm gonna start cutting up these potatoes. Got them all peeled. Making some fries. Alright, well, got all them potatoes cut. I'm just gonna add a little water in there. We'll put them in the ice box. I'll stop them from getting all brown, wash a little bit of the starch out, and then I'll drain it right before I'm ready to fry them. Set that off to the side there. That'll work. Set that in the old ice box, yo. Lil G still messing around on the back porch. We'll go check on him in a little while. Now I gotta go check that fish, see if it's defrosting yet. It's the only thing I'm waiting on. But beautiful evening. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make my batter in a Ziploc bag. I never done it that way, but I'm about to try. See how I'm gonna be able to do this. Let's see how this is gonna work. Having trouble, little butter?
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Keep that old paper towel handy. And the mustard's on board. Got to have that mustard. That make the flavor there. That ought to be plenty. A little bit more. for good measure. There we go. Close that up, set this off to the side. Mix it all good. I'm just gonna throw that fish once it's finally defrosted. Got one more little piece left with a little ice on it. Should be ready to go. Probably can go ahead and get my old cooking all ready. Pour that in a pot. That'll be plenty.
This is how we work out in the Cajun yard.
One.
Now flip.
You did one.
I want to try to make two.
You try to make two?
Yep. Ready?
Let's see.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, look at the power. Big muscles. Good job. Alright, guess I'm gonna start heating up that grease. There we go. Start letting that grease heat up. Lil G getting his muscles built up. That fish ought to be pretty close. Let me go, CG. Man, that sure is pretty. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset. Awesome, awesome. Got that old fish sitting right here. Yep, I feel one little piece left. It'll be ready to go. By the time that grease is heated, it'll be ready.
There's a gator.
Seen an alligator earlier. Oh, look, I see him right there.
Yeah, there was
I don't know if this camera gonna pick that up. He's probably about 50 yards away. Never know. He might come close.
Right there.
Yep. Trying to hold off as long as I can from cranking up the old AC. As long as they ain't got no mosquitoes, we ought to be good. Oh, I see a gator. Oh, you tried to scare me?
Yeah.
I think you got everybody else scared too. Got that old fish ready. I guess y'all can see me. I don't know. Let me come up a little bit. How about that? Oh yeah, there we go. Got that fish. Throw it up in this batter. And that fish is actually some leftovers of that fish that we had, that big fish we caught a while back. So we fed like 6 people off of it and still had this. Might have even had another bag that we put up in the freezer, I'm not sure. Oh yeah. Oh, what I forgot to do, almost forgot, pep it up just a little bit. There we go. That ought to dress it up nicely. Add a little extra kick to it. There it is. Got a GJ Camping fish fry. Nah, ain't on brand. Just a mayonnaise jar, put our sticker on. Throw this in here. There we go. Woo-wee! Alright, G, let me get a temperature reading here. Not quite hot enough. We'll give it a little bit more fire. Alright. First batch going in. Oh yeah. There we go. That's smelling good already. I love the sound of fish frying. So what you got going on, G? I'm gonna wash my hands. You keep these people company.
Okay. So, warning or lucky subscribers, and it might be you who's watching. We're doing a giveaway, and whoever we pick gets the DJ Camping clam sign.
You making a clam?
Yep.
Let me see.
DJ Camping.
Huh. Lil G just threw a surprise to me. So what you want to do with that?
We're gonna have a giveaway.
Huh, we got to figure out how to do that. Lil G wants to sign that and give it to y'all. I'm gonna have to look into how we pick somebody. So y'all maybe stay tuned for that. Somebody might get lucky. That's a good idea, Lil G.
Yep.
Be pretty cool. Maybe we can send them a few stickers and stuff too.
Yep. And we're gonna have another giveaway, and that I'm gonna draw pictures.
You gonna draw some pictures?
Yep.
I don't know, G. That sounds like a good little idea. You came up with that by yourself?
Yep.
Huh. Well, I guess we got to get with Mama T. Help us figure out how we can do that.
Yep.
Let's go check on our old fish. Boy, y'all look at that. Looking good. Alright, well. Lil G got a plan, it sounds like, for y'all. We got to figure out how to do it. But I'm going to fry this fish and bring y'all back after a batch or two. Alright, we're going in with the last batch of fish. I'm going to put these in there. And I got to show y'all something. Get these final pieces up in here right quick. Alright, that's it. Wash my hands. Alright, y'all come check this out. Look at that, y'all. You can't ask for too much better of a sunset than this. Perfect little spot. What you doing over there?
I got something.
You got something?
It's heavy.
Might be a pirate ship. St. John Lafitte used to sail through here. Y'all look at that. That's looking good. Last batch. All we got left is them fries. Gorgeous, gorgeous evening. G, you getting hungry? I know I am. Won't be long, bro. Check on the old fries, see how they doing. Got the first batch going. Oh yeah.
Look how gorgeous the sun is. I'm at the sky. All that. And there's a gator. Let's see. Well, right there.
Alright, we got our supper, G. Getting hungry?
Yep.
You been hungry. I know I'm hungry. Just getting pretty much dark. I don't know if y'all can see it. We got an alligator right here. Let's go see if we can see him. He went down before I could, oh, he's still there. I don't know if y'all can pick him up, but he's right there. Oh, he just went under again. Alright, y'all. We done with that old pot. Boy, that's looking good right there. Gee, what are you doing way up there?
I don't know.
Look at this dude jump. You hungry?
Yep.
Come on, let's get you some of this. you go. Plop. You want ketchup?
No, I'm good.
You
Let's
good?
see. Taste test. Fries good. Fish is good.
All good?
Yeah.
We get thumbs up?
Yeah.
Alright. Guess I'm gonna dig in with him. Check it out. Beautiful sunset this evening. Awesome eating. Gonna be alright. Alright, Gia made me up a little lemonade. You want no lemonade?
I'm good.
I got a drink on that. My turn. Let's see. Good to me. Got a couple of these little fries. Ooh, boy, that's a camping meal there. I know I said it probably multiple times, but something about fried fish being on the boat, it just goes. Perfect combination, perfect supper on the boat. So, damn. Alright, man. Me and Lil G gonna enjoy your supper. I don't know what Lil G got planned after. I guess we're gonna see. I know you scheming something. We'll have to wait, huh? Alright, let's eat our food. Figure out what we're gonna do. I got one more surprise to top it off.
Watermelon.
Oh, let's check it out. I brought us a big bowl of watermelon.
I forgot we had that.
Your favorite. Come on. Boy, look at that. Fresh Mississippi watermelon.
We ate all the yellow kind.
Good?
Uh-huh.
Let's go hit the spot.
That watermelon bussin'.
It busted.
Yeah.
Ain't too bad. We got a few watermelons from over there. And every time they are sweet, good, delicious. Very good watermelon. And they're huge on top of that.
They sweeter than Louisiana watermelon.
Almost, huh? Alright. We're gonna enjoy a little after supper snack. Gotta watch a little movie. If we got enough service. We'll try, V.
Well, we have 3 bars.
Yeah, might work today. We're in a pretty open area. I guess we'll see. The old swamp and cell signal don't go hand in hand. Alright, Joe. It's almost 10 o'clock. Well, supper was awesome. Chopped it off with some good old watermelon. Oh man, we're gonna sleep good tonight. Got a little G tucked in, hiding somewhere underneath there.
I hear.
So I guess we gonna call it a night. And guess we'll see y'all in the morning. I'll make that old coffee. We'll catch y'all in the morning.
Satellite and radar data indicate that the shower and thunderstorm activity associated with a low pressure located just offshore of the east coast of Florida remains disorganized. This system is forecast to move westward across the Florida Peninsula today and then reach the northeastern Gulf by Wednesday. Environmental conditions appear generally favorable for additional development, and a tropical depression could form while the system moves across the northeastern and north-central Gulf. Regardless of development, heavy rainfall could produce localized flash flooding over portions of Florida through midweek. Heavy rainfall could also cause flash flooding for portions of the north-central Gulf Coast during the middle to latter portions of this week. Formation chance through 48 hours, medium, 40%. Formation chance through 7 days, medium, 40%.
Good morning, y'all. Beautiful this morning. As y'all can see, if y'all heard what they were saying on the old VHF radio, look like we possibly got a old storm headed this way. Look like it could be a big rainmaker. I don't think it could be a strong storm, but never can let your guard down. Especially right now with this heat and the Gulf being warm like it is. So we kind of keeping our eye on that. So that's gonna be in about a day or two. Probably will start getting rain sometime tomorrow. The main impact Wednesday, Thursday, probably Thursday. We're gonna keep an eye on it. So might have to start prepping a little early. Pull this old girl out the water. Put her on the trailer. One of the benefits of living down here, hurricane season is here. So it's almost like a repeat of last year. Me and Lil G come make us a trip out here and then the storm hit. A day or two before. Got us one more camping trip in before it hit. Oh well. I guess we'll see. Hopefully it ends up not being much. But can never let your guard down. I done seen some tropical storm. Right at the last second, the thing blows up into a Category 2 hurricane, Category 3 hurricane in 12 hours. So we're gonna keep a close eye on it. Get our preps ready. You know, anytime we got something like that coming, I pretty much prepare like it's a big hurricane coming. Because you just never know. And once you lock down and hunker down, ain't no I wish I woulda type thing. So I just go ahead and get everything set up like a full-blown hurricane's coming on through. And if it doesn't, good. So we probably won't stay around too late today. Let Lil G sleep a little while. We'll probably get to cruising around a little bit and go start getting ready for a storm, I guess. I'll probably pull this out of the water sometime today. That's all we can do. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy my old coffee in this beautiful blue sky we got right now. Boy, I tell y'all what, it's warming up quick. I'm gonna fire the old AC back on, making me another pot of coffee here. Got me another pot ready to go. Look like my little buddy's starting to move around. Oh man, I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna fix me another little pot of coffee. All right, y'all. We're getting that third cup of coffee down. My little buddy's up. Oh, G, you ready to go explore a little bit before we head in?
Yeah.
We'll see what we can find. Just had to wash my windows off from the outside. With them old mayflies all stuck all over the windows, the back porch, so I got everything rinsed off. So, pretty much down here, you parking in the woods, you get mosquitoes. You park in these little lakes, you get mayflies. So no matter what you do, you got something going to attack the boat. Especially if you leave an anchor light on, it is terrible. I didn't even leave a light on, just the little green light of my generator attracted them, and then the lights illuminating through the window. Had them everywhere, but they make a mess. But I got most of them off, kind of sprayed there. Y'all can see on the deck. They all kind of piled up on there. And if you don't clean them, they stink like crazy when they start drying up. So I think what me and Lil G is gonna do this morning, we're gonna go explore a little bit down the bayou, head a little northbound for a little bit, check out a few little places. But we'll start making our way home slowly and go get ready for our first storm of the year. See what happens. So we're about to crank up. We're gonna untie. Go see what we see, huh, G?
Yeah.
Oh, and Lil G, tell them what you got at home waiting.
A baby duck.
And how we got it.
So down our neighborhood, there's neighborhood ducks that people raise, and then the two male, one male and one female, they laid eggs, then we kept grabbing them, and then we had three at first, and then one of the eggs wasn't good, and then two of the eggs wasn't good, and then that was the only egg that was good. So then we had a baby duck
Yep.
the other day.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. The ducks were laying eggs by the house, but something kept getting them. So Mama T ordered an incubator, and we was able to get like 3 eggs. One was fertile, so we hatched a baby duck. So pretty cool. So we'll go check him out when we get home. Add that to our animals, Lil G's chickens. They're pretty much full size, and we have a few roosters in the mix. So
They ain't mean,
they ain't mean yet, but we got to keep an eye on them, right?
but they start looking at each other like they got to fight, like they eyeballing each other.
Yep. I guess, I don't know, 5 or 6 days ago. Well, I think when we got back from our trip from Mississippi, one of the roosters started crowing. So that's pretty cool. Well, 2 of them actually. The third one ain't crowing yet, but I like waking up in the morning and hearing them. But anyways, we're gonna get going, see what we see, go explore a little bit. Got a good view way up there? Alright, let's make our way to the deep water. Get out of this shallow. Go see what we see. We're trying to explore this little canal here. Let's see, just a little dead end. But I don't think we're gonna make it, G. Y'all can see they had an old sunken camp boat back that way. What you think about that? That looked like a nice houseboat at one time. So this is about as far as we can go, G. I'll spin around right here. Hear the monkey bird?
Yep.
A limpkin. Cool, that thing packed with lilies. G, everything packed with lilies. Alright, let's do a U-turn, G. Gotta be, they got a couple big gators hiding back here. Check on camera, make sure we ain't about to back into nothing. Alright, G. Cruise on down, yo. Guess we'll make our way back to the river. See what's going on. I know, right? We don't bring bait with us this time. And we've been marking fish for a good little ways now in the river. I guess them fish are sensing that low pressure coming, that old storm. They're trying to get that feeding going on. How you let me forget the bait, G? Oh, man. That's how it works. I mean, that thing's just steadily marking fish. Well, that's a good sign. Might be getting better on this end. Lil G just hanging out on the deck. Look at this little lily jam we got going on right here. Boy, they got some trees falling down in this canal. Let's see here. Gotta bust through them. Oh, I see a log right there. We don't want to go over that. Gotta ease our way through it. There we go. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Hey, go through the water lilies like that. And once you get out of them, you just put your motor in reverse, and they'll blow all them weeds out. Back up a little bit, and they'll blow them all out the prop. Back up a little piece, and that's all to it. The prop's back clean, we ready to go. Keep on cruising. Y'all seen them big yellow flowers, a video a while ago. We call that grana volet. Big lily pad. They flower, and then they make them big seeds. You can eat part of it. I'm not sure if you can eat the seeds or what. I'm gonna have to do a little research, but I know you can. Certain parts of it are edible at a certain time of the year. So I do need to do a little research on that, but we'll check it out. Let's go take a look at the swamp. Beautiful little spot right here. Let's go check it out. Y'all look at that, how pretty back up in there. This time of the year, boy, the vegetation is real thick. A lot of vegetation. Old swamp beautiful, ain't it? A lot of critters back up in there. So we're easing our way home still. Just kind of videoing different little things that we seeing to kind of show y'all, for the ones not from this area. See all kind of different plants and stuff. Got these little things right here. Look like they flowering. All kind of stuff, boy. The woods are super thick right now. Keep on making tracks. See what else we find. Well, we made it back to the old bridge. Passing by that. You remember when we went 10 out on there?
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty cool, huh? Old bridge. The other side of it.
The umbrella's still there.
The what? The old, oh, that old broken umbrella? I guess somebody else might camp out besides us. Alright, y'all. We almost back to our home port. It was a quick little trip. Ain't a whole lot of action. But if y'all made it this far, we appreciate y'all watching this quick little overnighter. Had a good little supper. Enjoyed a little time out, y'all. Before we gotta deal with an old storm coming. So, G, had a good time?
Yep.
Good supper, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, I guess we'll call it a trip. I guess next time y'all see us, it'll either be an update on the storm situation, or we'll be back doing some kind of adventure. Thank y'all for coming along. So, till next time, we'll catch y'all later on. Peace.